Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 27 of saving $10 every day in the month of April in the hopes of getting through as many minis and tinies as I can from my stash. And I am doing really well. Yesterday we finished 5 challenges. So today, probably not going to finish any. And if we do, I can't imagine it being more than one. So we have our little prop coins, $10 worth of prop coins, and then I bring $10 worth of cash and we mix it up. We don't mix it up. I don't know what that means. We exchange it. I'm so tired. I'm bulk filming, so we have 2 5s today. So $10. All right, we're starting where the paperclip is. That is number 2, my little cute bow paperclip from Jeanette at Jeanette's Journey. Okay, I think everything is in view. We're starting on number 2. Let's see what we got. 2. I'm going with it, even though it's a little askew. 3 for 3. That's a good day. 1, 2, 3 for number 4. 1 for number 5. 1 for number 6. Nothing for the bank. One for 1. 3 for number 2. I guess I have to take it. I took the other ones. All right, 1 for number 3. 1, 2, 3 for number 4. 1 for number 5. 2 for 6. Get to go back to number 1. And we have 3, and that's what we have left. So we will start on number 2 again. So let's put the paper clip there before I forget. Alright, let's get our little setup done. So we have, oh goodness, alright, we have $1.25. I swear I mixed it up. Not much, but I know I did. Okay, so this is from Bella at Saving Made Simple. So we can do $2.25. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50, 75, $2, and then 25. This was part of her little spooky stuff, spooky A5s that she had. She's in Canada. All right, number 2. We have $1, $2 for number 2. And number 2 is from, oh, I said it was from Becca Budget's 777, but it was the Road to 1K collab with Bookish Mama Budget's Elaine Realized in Budget with Tiffany 26. And they got to 1K and way beyond. So we can do $2. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50, 75, $2. This one will save us $7. So this is kind of a big one. I'm glad it got $2. And I'm glad we're starting there tomorrow. Okay. Our next one is number 3. And that got $1.75. And number 3 is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1. And then 25, 50, 75. So we need one more $1 and this one will be done. From Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. And then number 4. Number 4 has $1, $2.25. Ooh, and we got this one from Candy at Stuff and Budget. 2034 is the year of the tiger. I am using my Crayola Clicks. And I got this in an order from last year. So we can do 1, 2, 25. right, we're getting there. I like how it matches the orange with the challenge. All right, and we are on number 5, which got 50 cents. And this one is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets. So we can finish out this. And that one needs $3 more. All right, and then last but not least, we got $1.25. And this one is one of mine, and we only needed 75 cents. We did finish one. We did it. So we have 25, 50. Oh, we had $1.25. And then this one was 50 cents. So we have 25 cents left, but we still finished it. See, I'm used to having everything be 25 cents, but I switched it up yesterday. All right, our next one is from Financial Dreams with Christine, Farmers Market Funds. So we can mark off, let's mark off the little pears. I don't want to X them out. Pears. I'll do a big smiley face over the pears. So that one's done. This will save us $3. Okay. So let's go back here. Do another little mix on our prop coins. All right, and go to our bank, and we need $4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we'll stick our $4 in here, and then our completed challenge in the back. Yay, day 27. Awesome. I love that we snuck in one at the end and finished. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.